In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Turbotax. Whether you're preparing to file your taxes or simply checking in on your progress, accessing your Turbotax account is a straightforward process. I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you have a seamless experience. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, navigate to the official Turbotax website. You can do this by simply typing Turbotax into your search engine. Or if you want to be precise and sure you're reaching the official site, you can directly enter the URL at turbotax.intuit.com. This is the main hub for all things TurboTax, from filing your taxes to accessing various tools and resources they offer. Once you've landed on the TurboTax homepage, your next step is to locate the Sign In button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here will take you to the login screen where you can access your personal TurboTax account. Now that you're at the login screen, you'll need to enter your credentials to proceed. This involves typing in your username or email and your password. Make sure that these details are accurate to avoid any login hiccups. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a forgot password link available here. Clicking it will guide you through the steps needed to reset your password and regain access to your account. Once you've typed in your credentials and are ready, go ahead and click the Sign In button. This will take you directly to your TurboTax homepage, where you can start or continue your tax filing journey. If you've successfully signed in, you'll see the main dashboard outlining all the features and tools available to you. While here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options. Whether it's going through your current tax forms, checking last year's filings, or using their intuitive tools for tax savings, everything is structured to assist you in filing your taxes smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it. You're now successfully logged into TurboTax. Remember that keeping track of your login details and protecting them is crucial. Also, regularly updating your password is a good practice to enhance the security of your account. If you encounter any problems along the way, TurboTax also has a comprehensive support section where you can find answers to common questions and get assistance. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy tax filing.